Hello again, boys and girls. Thank you so much for joining for story time. I'm so happy that you are here. But you know what I need you to do? I need your eyes watching, your ears listening. Please, nice still bodies and quiet voices. And let's get ready, okay? Do you know it's story time, story time, story time? Do you know it's story time in your home today? And today's story is Bear Snores On. And it is by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Are you ready? Okay. It's a heavy book. Here is the title page. And we are ready to begin. And I'm sorry, the book is written by Karma Wilson. The illustrator is Jane Chapman. I was not clear. Ready? Up. Settle down just a little bit. You're kind of moving and grooving too much. Much better. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Looks like there's a tunnel there. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluffy cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Oh, too damp, too dank, too dark." So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Let's hear the bear snores. You do it. Yes. You know I love stories with snoring in them. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Remember, what is a hare? Yes, it's like a rabbit. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Let me see the popcorn. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. Are you ready? But the bear snores on. Give me those snores. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." What do you think is still happening in that cave? And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. Help me. But the bear snores on. Give me a snore. That bear is not waking up. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Tunnels, they're coming up through their tunnels. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Lots of friends gathering there. Lots of friends. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. One more. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. He's sleeping right through it all. Look at them. Looks like they're having a good time. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear Are you ready? Choo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Oh, look at that bear. Look at that big sneeze. Oh my goodness. What's gonna happen? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Look at his face. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stumps. Bear growls and he grumbles. What on earth is going on? What are all these animals going to do? Oh boy. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping. I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Ah! Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. And that was outside. Everybody wanted to escape this cold snow. Thank you so much, boys and girls, for listening. You know there's an assignment. I need for you to draw a tunnel that leads to a cave that Bear was living in. You can draw it, or you can make it out of Play-Doh, or you can make it out of your tubes and tunnels. But I want you to show me a bear living in a tunnel, sleeping. Can you do that for me? Thank you so much, boys and girls. Have a great rest of the day. See you real soon, okay? Bye-bye. Oh, I forgot. Bye, boys and girls.